Transform your creations with the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer. Ready to elevate your creativity? The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus offers lightning-fast speeds of up to 500 ms, powered by Clipper firmware. Say goodbye to long waiting times and experience efficiency without compromising quality. It's perfect for makers who want quick, stunning results. Unleash your imagination with a massive 320 x 385 mm build volume. Whether crafting detailed prototypes or larger models, the Neptune 4 Plus lets you print with confidence, knowing you have the space to bring your ideas to life in one go. With input shaping and pressure advanced technology, this 3D printer dramatically reduces vibrations, improving accuracy and detail on every print. Its direct drive extruder and 300°C high-temperature nozzle effortlessly handle diverse materials from PLA to TPU, even nylon. Printing has never been easier. Features like auto-leveling and one-touch file transfer ensure a smooth start for creators of all skill levels. Plus, its efficient cooling system enhances print quality by preventing warping. No stress, just creativity. Join thousands of hobbyists who trust the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus to bring their visions to life. At only $499, it's an investment in limitless creativity. Boost your 3D printing game now. Visit the official product page or your favorite retailer today. Many people have felt the benefits of this 3D printer, so do not hesitate to buy this 3D printer. If you are interested in buying, check the link in the description below.